While discussions about the corpus of AI-generated images and texts have not yet been clarified, OpenAI introduced its new text-to-video model called Sora on February 15th. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. I am sure most of you have seen the videos on this page which were generated directly by Sora without modification. In today's video, I want to share my thoughts about how text-to-video AI tools like Sora might influence the Amazon KDP business model in the future. First of all, let me explain to you quickly how it works on an example. Sora aims to understand and simulate the physical world in motion, generating videos based on textual prompts. It can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. Let's check the prompt of one of these videos. Beautiful, snowy Tokyo city is bustling. The camera moves through the bustling city street, following several people enjoying the beautiful snowy weather and shopping at nearby stalls. Gorgeous sakura petals are flying through the wind along with snowflakes. It looks quite realistic, right? Of course, Sora's videos don't always appear completely realistic at the moment. Let's examine a couple of examples. A beautiful homemade video showing the people of Lagos, Nigeria in the year 2056, shot with a mobile phone camera. As you can see, there are scaling issues in the resulting video. Errors in people's dimensions and perspectives are evident. Now, let's analyze the video of a cat waking up its sleeping owner. At the beginning of the video, there is something about the owner's eyes that doesn't sit well. When the cat stretches out its paw, the owner's face looks somewhat realistic, but then, out of nowhere, a third paw appears while the cat already has two front paws. I don't know if AI companies intentionally share such errors to avoid scaring us too much about AI, or if it's simply their current capability. However, we can expect that over time, Sora could create more accurate videos. Although Sora is not yet accessible to the public, I think it will be soon. Therefore, let's make some predictions and brainstorm about the potential impact of Sora on the Amazon KDP business model to prepare in advance. Firstly, Sora can help us generate captivating video trailers for books. Imagine you have written a science fiction book. Instead of a basic video trailer like this one, Sora can help you create a more engaging one like this one by simply giving it some prompts. Currently, we are not sure if Sora will be a paid service. However, if we compare it to Fiverr, where top book trailer video offers cost between $30 and $300, Sora could be disruptive for creators who work on book trailers or similar video content. Realistically, you can't expect a perfect book trailer video for just $30. However, I will include a Fiverr link in the description so you can compare their work quality with Sora videos if you are interested. In my opinion, Sora could revolutionize book marketing. You can create different videos of your book with Sora at a lower cost and use them for social media posts and ad campaigns, increasing engagement compared to simple images. Secondly, Sora can help us make interactive ebooks where readers can explore scenes visually. Let me show you an example. Let's check the interior pages of this book. I mean that these visuals could be videos generated from simple prompts, like this one. I believe this approach would significantly enhance the reading experience, especially for children. What are your thoughts? Thirdly, I predict that we may witness animated book covers on Amazon search results page in the future. Consider the following examples. Which cover grabs your attention more? The one on the left or the one on the right? Today's examples should give you a glimpse of what lies ahead for Amazon KDP or other similar print-on-demand business models. The crucial point here is adaptability. That's why I try to get your attention to on OpenAI's groundbreaking new tool Sora. In my opinion, starting now, we should embrace a hybrid approach, offering both digital and print versions of the books we create. For instance, if you are a low-content book publisher and working on a 2025 planner to sell on Amazon, explore how to create a digital version of it with hyperlinks and try to add AI-generated videos, images, or other media to it. If you are an author, consider adding a video introduction to your ebook. This personal touch connects with readers. Additionally, Explore using AI-generated images or videos to transform your written content into engaging video narratives for a broader audience. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on Sora's potential impact on Amazon KDP. Feel free to share your comments below. I will be keeping an eye on updates about OpenAI's text-to-video tool Sora and other AI-generated tools. If you want to stay informed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you soon.